Well, hello. Let's welcome Brett Buettner to our Fireside Chat. Hey, Brett, how you doing?
Good, Kathy. How are you?
I'm very glad to have you here. We've been trying to get you on this show for a while, but you've been busy, haven't you?
I have. I appreciate being on, though.
I'm so glad that you're here. Well, you're the managing partner of Buettner Insurance Agency, which is a really big job. And I understand that it's a second generation business and that you've done a lot of things in that time since you've been part of that business. Tell us a little bit about what you do.
Absolutely. So, Buettner Insurance is an employee benefits firm, a boutique firm where we specialize solely in employee benefits. So, we bring in medical insurance, dental, vision, life, and all the ancillary products. And what we really try to do, we're a family-owned business. We like to treat our clients like family. So, we provide an essential amount of tools such as HR hotlines or HR portals, online enrollment. Whatever the client really needs, we provide because we want to make sure that our clients are comfortable with the products we have.
That's outstanding. And the fact that it's second generation and that you've working with your dad now, that must have a unique perspective for you.
It is. And strangely enough, I'm technically third generation because my grandfather, he also was an insurance broker. Different. He was a workers' comp, but
There you go.
Runs in the blood.
You were born to be an insurance buddy.
Yep.
Well, as a prospective client of yours, I would love to know that, right? Because I want to know that you're not going to bounce around like other brokers tend to do and that you're going to really care. So how has things changed since the COVID challenge?
So COVID's affected a lot of people. When COVID first started, our agency was able to work from home within 4 hours, which was great. Because,
wow.
Right. And our biggest thing was making sure that our clients, no matter what it was, their questions were answered and the services were still being at 100% capacity. So what we've been doing, because open enrollment and a lot of our clients don't want to meet with outside people, we've created online enrollment for all of our clients that have requested it.
Really?
And we make open enrollment videos for all of our clients so that their employees can just log in. They can actually watch the open enrollment.
Oh my gosh.
And they can fill out their enrollments. And it's a really easy process. We made it so that if you work from home or you're in a restaurant business or what have you, because we have a lot of hospitality, it's just an easy process. And that's really the whole thing with COVID. A lot of people were afraid of COVID. We want to make sure it's simple and easy for our clients and members.
I'm amazed and blown away that you did that quickly within 4 hours and you never missed a beat. That is amazing. And then the other thing you said that I want to really circle back about is this video thing. We get to watch our benefits. I've never heard that before. What?
Right. Yeah. So what we wanted to do was we created a PowerPoint template where we talk to our clients first, make sure we put everything they want in that PowerPoint template onto the PowerPoint. We upload it and we create a video between, it depends on the plans, but maybe 15 to 30 minutes long of videos. And we go over every single benefit for our clients. So our clients and members really understand what benefits they're getting into.
That's really interesting because, again, insurance is so difficult to be able to understand. And as I'm sitting here trying to find benefits for my employees, everybody wants something different, So there are different stages in their life. They want dental, they don't, they want optical, they la la la. I mean, and I'm like, oh no, broker, where are you?
Right.
So glad that you're there and that you can offer that service and so high tech with these days. That's really, really cool for you. So tell us a little bit about some misconceptions that deal with most insurance brokers that I know I have to deal with myself.
Absolutely. So I think the biggest misconception is that people see insurance brokers as almost a used car salesman or the whole belief of that. And one of the things about in California, specifically speaking, medical insurance and small group, so that's under 100 lives, insurance brokers don't get paid anything by the employers. Our commission is actually built in directly to the rates. So if a client is going directly to a carrier, they pay the exact same if they go to the carrier or if they go to us and we provide them with all our services and tools. So, right. I don't want to say it's a free lunch, but you can use a broker and have us take care of those wants and needs very simply and easily, or do it by yourself. And unfortunately, it's just, it's a hard process.
To actually have you help me as a partner to me and someone who cares about my business as much as you care about yours is just, that's almost earth-shattering work, right? And I've always felt that sense from you that you wanted to be one with whoever you worked with, whether they bought your services or didn't. You just really like helping people. And that's an unusual quality when you're in a commission-driven business, right?
Right. Yeah, it's funny you bring that up. One of the main reasons I wanted to get into this business, and it came full circle. In college, I really didn't understand health insurance. My father He's the owner of the firm, and I did not want to do what my father did. I wanted to blaze my own trail, so to speak. And I was training for Ironman 70.3, and I fell off my bike in Venice Beach, and I was almost hit by a car.
Oh.
And the first thing I thought was, where do I go? I don't know what to do. Basically, is just call your dad. That was, as a college student, you think you do a little bit more than just call your parents for everything. Yeah. And after that experience, I realized how confusing health insurance was. And I want to make sure that if I was ever in that position again, I could help someone that has that similar experience or just any experience in regards to health insurance. And within about a year or two of being a broker, I had almost this exact experience with a client. A client was injured, doing some athletic activity. They called us, and usually, when you try to involve people, maybe the broker just says, hey, I'll try to help you out, or go to this hospital or what have you. I gave the member my direct cell phone, my direct line, the office number, my personal email address. I said, call me. I don't care what time it is. If you call at 2 a.m., I just want to make sure you get handled, because balance billing is so expensive. And we were able to get them fully through all their medical treatments. It was all covered, and the employer really appreciated the experience that we provided.
Oh my gosh, that's definitely.
Yeah, it was that full circle.
That's definitely going overboard. And I don't think I've ever had anybody do that for me. So that's amazing. So I have one last question before we end this wonderful fireside chat. And that is, why do you do what you do? I mean, there's always a motivation, right?
I believe there is. I think what makes me feel so satisfied, it's like a warmth in your heart, is when you put a employee or a member on a certain policy and you help them from cradle to grave, right? You get them the right policy, you make sure that they have the right doctor, and it's everything understood. Mm-hmm. And when they call you and they say, Brett, I want to tell you the benefits that you put us on, and the doctor that I was able to see, we went and we had a service, like a surgery, and I've never felt this good in my life before. Wow. I've had those talks before where people can play with their children now because of their doctor or whatever it may be. It makes it I understand that my job's important from that, and it makes me feel good because of that. Yeah. So I think that's why I do what I do.
That's outstanding. Well, I'm really happy that you came on the Fireside Chat. We wanted to try to get you in here so all of my 15,000 plus connections can understand what quality work you do, and that there is really a good broker out there that actually has personal care and wants to be a partner with you, and that will actually take your call 24/7. Who knew that, Well, thank you so much. And we look forward to seeing you again. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.